Hello guys and welcome back to another video by me, Kevin. Today I'm gonna show you a little update from last week. If you saw it, I bought a new computer, MacBook Pro M1, and I've never had such a cool computer before, and I'm super excited to show you guys this new computer. But first, I need to make a coffee. So come around and I'll show you how I make my frappes. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys how I make my coffee in the morning. And the first thing we need is this one, the Nespresso, no, the Nescafe actually Gold. Yes, because it's the best one there is. And also you need this magnificent thing that will flutter my milk and stuff. So first we need a glass and a straw, ideally. So what I do is I take coffee into this, take 3 scoops, like that. There we go. Then we add some water, like that. Not too much because that's gonna make it very strange. So now we just put it here, in this little thing. And there's it all done. This is how it looks. Then we get it down. There we go. So now it's all set and ready to be poured into the glass. First, we'll need more essential items. Milk and some ice. In these glasses, I usually only use 2. So 1, crack it out, and 2. So now we just pour this little thingy. Can we have a closer look maybe? Maybe. Can have a closer look. Give me a second. There we go. Okay, so now you pour it in. Okay, very thick. I might have failed a little bit today just because I'm making a video, of course. But this is how it ideally looks. Foam up here, and then you put in milk. So right now it's like super strong. So we add some milk. Make it a bit sweeter, and there we go. So there we have a freshly made frappe, all ready to drink. So this is how it looks. Really nice. Tastes fantastic. So let's go back to the computer and I'll show you everything about it. Okay, we're now back. So let's open this thing and see how it looks on the inside. Amazingly happy. So what I'm thinking about doing is actually make a little bit of a time lapse where I'm opening up the computer. So you can see how the pack looks, and after that I will tell you a little bit more of the computer itself. Back. So here we then have the actual computer. Really nice. It's so slick, like wow. And The nice thing about this is that it's very small, but it's so super fast. So it's insane. Why I actually bought this computer is because I have an old computer that I'm doing editing on, and I really need an upgrade because it cannot handle my workflow anymore. It's getting very slow. Rendering takes forever to make, and also some of the footage I'm doing and editing, everything I add on, it just makes it very slow, and then in the end I can't even see things, and I need to go frame by frame to see where I need to cut and stuff. So it makes my editing very slow. So that's why I needed my new computer, and I'm super excited to show you guys this. So how I ordered it, I just went on a website at home, Dustin, and ordered it. So as you know, maybe that my parents took it with them in their hand luggage, because I didn't want it to get lost in the transit here in Cyprus, because sometimes things get lost here. It's not as secure as at home in Sweden, for example. So when our parents came last week and visited, they took the computer with them. And this master beast of a computer is a high-end laptop, and it's pretty expensive actually, but it felt like it's an investment I need to do both for my channel and for my work, because I'm not only doing YouTube at the moment, I'm doing other stuff also, so I really need a working computer that is easy to take with me. And this computer costs around 1800 euro. What I'm actually using as a currency is euro, so that's why I'm saying it. So around maybe 700 US dollars, if I'm not totally wrong there, but around there. What I'm thinking, so let's open this up. I'm gonna pre-start it and stuff, and you can see how it looks after, because I probably need to sign in and the usual stuff when you buy a new computer, right? Okay then we're all set. Here we go. We have a new computer. It's all started up, looking really fresh. And yeah, this is how it looks on the inside. You have all the applications down here. And a cool thing with this one, it has this little touch bar. And if you can just press there and you can type in instantly, makes it multitasking so much easier. And I think this is gonna be a really nice computer. I just need to set up all my stuff and all my editing programs so I can start editing on this new computer. Otherwise, I don't know really what to say about this. I'm super excited to give you an update of like a longer review of how this computer is gonna last. But for right now, I think that's everything. What else I'm gonna do today is actually I'm gonna go and film a little bit again at Luna Park. As you saw in my video about 5 things to do in Ayia Napa, I'm gonna make another specific video more about Luna Park. So I'm gonna shoot that today because it's my day off. I'm gonna shoot that around 6 o'clock, I think, because that's a really good time and the park is open at that time. Now, after shooting this video, I'm gonna go to the gym. That's a little update for what's happening today and coming up. I'm super excited to show you guys more about Ayia Napa. I'm gonna do more about that, focus more about the destinations, because that's something I really like to do, and focus more about helping you guys as much as possible what to do on a destination or how to earn more income, all this kind of stuff that I like talking about. So hope you liked the video, subscribe and like, and see you soon. Bye.